How to add auto subtitles to a video online. Go to Google and search Veed. Then open Veed Video Editor. Click on the Edit a Video option, and then import your video to the video editor. To add subtitles, click on the Subtitles option here. Then click on the Auto Subtitles option. Now select your video language, and then click on the Create Subtitles. Subtitles will be added to your video automatically.
Source Manager. Hi, I'm Mary Hansen and I'm applying for one of your kitchen jobs. Great. Here's a copy of my resume. Great. Have a seat, Mary. Thank you.
If you want to change subtitle style, click here on Style option. You can change preset style here.
Source Manager. Hi, I'm Mary Hansen and I'm applying for one of your kitchen jobs. Great. Here's a copy of my resume. Great. Have a seat, Mary.
Beside that, you can change font, text color, and even you can animate your subtitles here. This is the easiest way to create auto subtitles for your videos online. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe us for more.